3 crucial mixing and mastering tips. 1. Give each element its own space in the mix. One of the most important aspects of mixing is ensuring that each element in the mix has its own space in the frequency spectrum. Carving out frequency ranges for each element, such as low end for the bass, mid-range for the vocals, and high end for cymbals and other high-frequency elements. You can achieve this using EQ, panning, and volume adjustments. This allows each element to be heard clearly without clashing with other elements. 2. Use reference tracks. It's important to listen to professional mixes in the same genre as your own music to get an idea of what a well-balanced mix should sound like. Use reference tracks as a guide for your own mixing and mastering process. Pay attention to how the elements are balanced, the levels, EQ, dynamics, and overall tonal balance. Use this as a benchmark for your own mixes and strive to achieve a similar level of quality. 3. Be mindful of dynamic range. A mix that is too compressed or limited can sound lifeless and lacking in dynamics. On the other hand, a mix that is too dynamic can be fatiguing to the listener. It's important to strike a balance between the two by using dynamic range compression and limiting only when necessary. Use compression to control dynamics and ensure that the overall level is consistent, but be careful not to overdo it. Use limiting sparingly to prevent clipping and ensure that the final mix is at an appropriate volume level.